Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make onion powder from the comfort of your home. If you are new here, this is Imibereho TV. You are most welcome and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we'll be back and I am very happy that you are watching right now this video. So what we do, we are going to remove the cover.
Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth.
Okay, after that we need to wash our onions because they have to be very clean.
I can turn it around, oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. But things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love.
Okay, it is time to cut our onions in small pieces. As we cut the onions, let me tell you something. You can ask yourself this question: why do we need to prepare, or why do we need to make onion powder? Normally there is a season when we have a lot of onions, when we harvest a lot of onions. The best way to preserve the onions is to make onion powder because it can last longer.
I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. Crying on my pillow, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can turn it around.
after cutting our onions, we are going to dry them. For us, we are going to use the sun, under the sun, like 3 days. 3 days are very enough to dry our onions. So see you after 3 days. Okay, we'll be back after 3 days. Our onions are very dry. As you can see, our onions are very dry. So it is time to blend them. We are going to blend them so that we can get onion powder. Yes, so that we can get onion powder. So after blending them, you are going to sieve so that you can get our final result, that is onion powder, and it can last between 6 months to 1 year. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. You can share this video to your friends, to your family. Also, you can make a comment below this video. Thank you so much. See you.
Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth.